and welcome back to my channel. So I'm attempting for a second time to film this video. In this video, I'm sharing with you guys my September favorites, the things that I've been loving this month, all month long. And a lot of them are repeats, not from last month, but repeats from a video that I did for $5 and under face. I did a video, if you haven't seen that, I will leave it down in the description below. But I did a video where I found products that are affordable but also good products that were $5 and under in that video. So if you haven't saw that, check it out. But they're going to be some of the repeats from that video because I've been loving them and gravitating towards those all month long. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I'm just going to put the camera down just a tad more. All right, so the first thing that I've been loving this month is from Rimmel. It's the Lasting Finish 25-Hour Breathable Lightweight Medium Coverage Concealer in Fair 100. It looks like this. Don't know if you guys can see that. Okay, so it looks like that. It does have kind of like the tip that the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer does, which I really do like. I have truly been enjoying this. This product is under $5 and it is a good concealer. I do use it under my eyes as well as on my face for any blemishes, which I do have right now. It just does cover very, very well. It does look really, really good and it's very affordable. I find that with this concealer, I don't necessarily have to apply my pink tone concealer on days that I'm going for a more just natural, quick look. As you guys can see, like you see a little darkness peeking through, but it's not too bad. And with some other concealers, I usually will have to do that, but this one I do not. So I really have been enjoying this. It's affordable. It's a good concealer. If you have dry under eyes, you will love this. And if you have dry skin, you will love this. I don't know about oily, if it will work or not, but I have dry skin and I do like it. So check this out if you haven't already. And also I do love the Lasting Finish foundation. It is a great foundation, affordable foundation. I want to say it's like $5. I want to say maybe $6, but it's a beautiful foundation, great for dry skin. It's full coverage. It lasts all day. And the longer you have it on your skin, the better it starts to look. So I really love that foundation. I have purchased it and repurchased it and will continue to repurchase it. It's one of my absolute favorites. I love to have that on hand for when I'm going to have like those days that I'm going to, like for special things, you know, that I'm going to be doing something all day and I just want the makeup to look good and last all day. That's definitely one of my top foundations from the drugstore. So if you haven't tried either of those, definitely check those out. 3 products from the Profusion line, and these are ones that I talked about as well in that 5 and under video. So the first one I'm going to talk about is the blush. It looks like this. And it has 6 blushes, beautiful color blushes. And this one here in the middle tends to come off pretty warm, but let me swatch it for you and show you that it's not as scary as it looks. So that's what it looks like right there. It just has a pretty sheen to it. I absolutely love these. And this one here may look like hardly, or no, I think it's this one that looks like hardly anything, but when you go to put it on, it just gives you that flushed color on your cheeks. This was $5 at Target. Check your local Target. They do have a blush 1 and blush 2, which is for more deeper skin tones. But I absolutely have been loving this and gravitating towards that all month long. I've also been loving the Profusion Highlight and Contour number 1. They do have a number 2 as well. And it comes with 3 highlights, a like banana powdered shade that is matte, and then 2 bronzer shades there. This one is pretty good for my skin tone. This one's a little bit deep and rich, but if I go on a light hand, I can definitely use this for contouring. But I absolutely love the highlights. I will go ahead and show you one of them. They are a bit chalky, I will say, but they're really, really nice. And they go on the skin very, very beautifully. but that is the one there. That one is Impulse, which is kind of like your golden, not too golden, but kind of white. It's in between a white and a golden color. It's just really, really pretty. I do love it. It's right there. This palette, again, was $5. I think that you can't beat that. If you can find these at your local Walmart or Target, definitely check them out. I have been using this all month long and really, really loving that one. This Profusion Smoky Eyeshadow Palette. It looks like that. This was $5 at Target as well. It just has your base shade. It has two of your transition shades, couple shimmers here, another shimmer here, and then your deeper tones there. And I've truly been loving this. The pigmentation is beautiful. As you can see, I've really been getting into it and just trying them this last month, and I really like it. I recently did a video with Flawed and Fabulous. If you have not checked out her channel, definitely check her out. She's awesome. And her and I did a recent collab. It was my first collab ever, which I really, really appreciate. And I absolutely had a great time filming that video. But her and I did a bingo palette where we did the bingo palette, and we used the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. And I think I'm going to do one with this palette because there's so many deep shades in there, and I want to see what kind of look I can possibly come up with. If you guys are interested in me doing that, definitely leave a comment down in the description bar below. But this is such a beautiful palette. They also do have a like more bright palette, which has bright colors. They also have a all neutrals palette and an all matte palette. So they have a variety for, you know, for your liking. I went with this one. It's not one that I would have normally gravitated towards, but I went with this one because I normally don't do the deeper tones, and I thought, you know, why not? I don't have anything similar to it, so why not give it a try? But I think I am going to try doing the bingo palette with this because I'm surprised to see what kind of look that I would do. But check your local Walmarts and Targets. $5 for these. I absolutely love that. I have been loving it all month long. And then my last drugstore product that I've been loving is from Makeup Revolution. It's the Ultra Bronze. I got this in a free gift when I did a order with Ulta. It is a 0.52 ounce. It looks like that. It's a beautiful bronzer color. It's not too dark for me at all. It's a perfect tone. And it definitely can be built up. It looks like that right there. It is one of those shades that can be built up. It doesn't, it's not red or muddy or anything like that. I really do enjoy that and have been loving it all month long. Definitely check out your local Ulta and see if they have that. If you're more on the fair side like me and looking for a really good bronzer, this is a huge product. I definitely can get away with using this as a bronzer, a contour, as well as if I needed a transition shade. Maybe there's a palette I'm using that doesn't have one. This would be super, super good. It's so big, it's going to last forever. Please don't mind my dog. She's barking again. But yeah, I've been loving this as well all month long. And if I could find this on Ulta or Ulta's website, I will definitely put it in the description bar and let you guys know about that. And then a couple, the remaining items that I've been loving this month are more on the higher end side. The first one is a highlighter from Benefit. And this is the Cookie Highlighter. And this highlighter is in, I showed you guys before, I have a Cheek Glitters palette from Benefit. And it has all kinds of blushes and a bronzer and a highlighter in that. And I have the one that's more for the fair toned. There's another one that's for more medium to deeper tones. And this highlighter is in that palette. And I didn't want to have to purchase the other palette just for the highlighter, but when I saw that Benefit was coming out with individual ones, I could not wait. I was super excited because this highlight is beautiful. It's geared to all skin tones, light, fair, to medium, to deep. I just think it would be beautiful on anybody. And so I was super excited when I saw that they were coming out with this, and I picked it up. It is a little bit on the pricey side, I will say, but it's definitely worth it. I am hoping that they come out with this in their mini sizes like they do their other stuff, their bronzers and blushes, because it's still a ton of product and it's just, you know, half the price, but you can still have it for a long time. That's what it looks like. I do have it on my cheeks. I don't know if you can see that there. It's just an absolutely beautiful, beautiful highlight. I've been wearing it almost every day since I got it. It's just absolutely beautiful. I think that those two are two of my favorite highlights ever. They're just absolutely gorgeous. You can go on with a little bit and still get this look. I just went with one swipe and that's what I got today. So they're just absolutely gorgeous. Check them out at your local Ulta's. I don't know if Sephora carries them, but I know Ulta does because I got mine there. These last two items are items that I received in gratis when I worked at Ulta at different times, but I just recently got to using them. So this first one is from Dermablend. It's the Illuminating Banana Powder. And it does say that it's Illuminating Banana Loose Powder that locks in makeup, brightens complexion instantly with weightless formula, provides a sheen, smudge resistant for up to 16 hours. And it looks like this. But anyways, it looks like that. I have been using this all month long. I really do enjoy this. I was very skeptical about trying this because I seen mixed reviews. I didn't know how it would do with my dry skin. Because with dry skin you have to pretty much be very careful in the powders that you're using, but I have been using this and I absolutely love it. It does not accentuate anything. It doesn't make me look cakey. It just goes on really nicely, and I have kind of been baking with this, which normally I don't do because I'm dry skin, but I have been baking with this and I have been loving the outcome on the skin. So if you are dry, the drier side, you will like this. They do have a white one and I think another one, but I can't remember the color of it. But if you're more dry, you want to go with this banana shade, I would say give it a try, see if you like it. I have been enjoying that. And then the last item that I have is from Strivectin. It is the Multi-Action Blue Rescue Clay Mask. And the container looks like that. I did get that for gratis. And it's just basically like a white, creamy with blue, you know, like blue beads in it. And when you put it on, it starts white and then it turns into blue and you just kind of let it sit on your face. I have not ever tried anything for Strivectin, and I was always afraid to because I have sensitive skin and I always worried that it would be too much for my skin. But this is a awesome product. I can't even say enough things about it, but it has definitely been helping my skin this month. I've had a lot of like hormonal breakouts here in this area and it's definitely been helping. My skin feels so good after I rinse it off. I would have to say of all the masks that I've ever tried, this has been the most drastic changing one as far as where I can tell a difference on my skin. So this is definitely my new favorite. I absolutely love it and would repurchase it once I run out of this. If you have not tried this, definitely give it a try. I know that Ulta carries it. When you're in an Ulta, you know, here down the road, definitely see about getting a sample of it and definitely giving it a try. I think if you have dry, sensitive skin or you're even oily, you will love this mask. So definitely look out for that if you can find it as well at Sephora. I know they're really good about giving samples. Try to see if you can get a sample there because I promise you, you will love this. It's awesome. I'm so thankful that I got this, but like I said, I would repurchase it once I run out because it's such a good product. That is pretty much everything that I've been loving this month. I've also just been loving baking and cooking. I've been baking some and cooking and just getting into that fall, you know, spirit and everything. And where I live, the weather is still very warm. So outside it doesn't feel like fall, but inside it does because I've been baking and cooking. And also I did decorate my house for fall just to kind of get myself into the feel of fall and everything. So I've been loving that this month is why I found a ton of great Dollar Tree fall decor items, which I did share with you guys in a couple videos back. Hopefully you guys were able to go to your local Dollar Tree and see if you can find anything there. They have some great things, especially if you're on a budget, and they're super affordable. They may not last you to next fall, but they may. I have some things that I have had for several years and they've still been fine. But I've been loving that, and I've also been loving this month just all of the YouTubers that I have come in contact with and I've met here within this last month, just wanting to help each other, basically. I've just been loving that and just getting to know different ones. And so, yeah, so this has been a really good month for me as far as meeting people and just, I got to do my first collab with Flawed and Fabulous, so that was really nice. Again, check out her channel if you haven't already. She's great and you will love her. Everybody's just been so supportive, and all the support I've been getting from fellow YouTubers as well. I've really been thankful this month and appreciative. September was a big month of meeting other YouTubers for me, so I've really enjoyed that this month and hope and continue. I hope that I continue to meet others and get to know others and can do some more collabs with other ones. But yeah, so that's pretty much everything that I've been enjoying this month. I do hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know down in the description below what things you have enjoyed in the month of September. Also, let me know any recommendations that you have for any future videos that you would like me to do. If there's a certain palette that you want me to do a look on or even review, just let me know. Or a certain product you want to review on in general, let me know down in the comments below. I definitely love your guys' feedback and definitely like to hear from you guys. So yeah, that's going to complete this video. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos from me. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. And yeah, so that's going to complete this video for now. But I do thank you guys all for watching. And until the next video, I will see you guys later. Bye.